Hi students, today we are going to discuss about the basic concept of mechanics, that is relativity, rest, motion. Here relativity. What is the relativity means? Reference or with respect to. In mechanics we want study about the any moving object, its position or speed or acceleration, whatever may be. These concepts we study with respect to reference or relatively. For this purpose, for example, this is the one of the road, means ground. A person, he is at rest besides the road. Okay? Let us, this person we noted as A. The person name is A. One car, so one car is moving with a velocity Vc. Means Vc means velocity of car. Okay. Same way, one of the person is on the bicycle, for example. He's traveling on the bicycle. One of the person. So the velocity of person. So person, I am taking his name as B. This car is we are taking as a C. This person moving with velocity B. Okay. Here, the velocity of this person or the velocity of B with respect to ground. Vc is the velocity of the car with respect to ground. In this case, this car is moving with 50 kilometer per hour. This person on bicycle moving with 5 kilometer per hour. Okay. The cycle moving with how much speed? 5 kilometers per hour. With respect to ground, this car is moving with 50 kilometers per hour with respect to ground. The velocity of A or the velocity of person who is besides the road, he is standing, the velocity of person or the velocity of A with respect to ground is 0. Okay. So here, to represent their velocities, what is the reference here? Ground. With respect to ground, the person who is on this cycle is 5 kilometers per hour. With respect to ground, the velocity of the car or the person who is in the car, 50 kilometers per hour with respect to ground. So one of the person in car. Okay, you know very well. When we are moving in the bus, we feel that the trees and buildings are moving backwards. We feel that in our view, the trees which are the besides the road, the trees and buildings are moving backwards. Means with our reference of our bus, reference of our bus, with respect to our bus, they are moving in backwards. The reference is your bus. So same way, with respect to ground, they are moving with VC velocity car, VB velocity cycle, VA is equal to 0 with respect to ground. In the view of this person who is on this cycle, the velocity of A is minus 5 kilometers per hour. He feels that that person is moving in opposite direction. How much? 5 kilometers per hour. At the same way, the velocity of car with respect to B, the velocity of C with respect to B is how much? VC minus VB. VC minus VB means how much? 50 minus 5, 45 kilometers per hour. So the velocity of car with respect to B is how much? 45 kilometers per hour. This is called as a relative velocity. This is called as a relativity. Okay? I will be explaining a simple example. Another example in simple manner. You know what is our speed with respect to sun and other stars? Actually, we are on the earth surface. We are on the earth surface. You know what is our speed with respect to sun and galaxies, other stars? Sun and other stars? It is 1,07,000 kilometers per hour. It is standard value. How much? 1,07,000 kilometers per hour. We are in motion. We are all in motion with respect to sun, 1,07,000 kilometers per hour. With respect to sun, that is the relativity. For example, this relativity is direction relativity, position relativity, mass relativity, all are relativity related. I will give one example. So, you know very well east, west, north, south. One person or one tree is here. Okay? Here one person is there. A. Here another person is B. Okay? He says that person, the tree is to this person which side? East side. This tree is to this person which side? East side. To this B person, this tree is which side? West side. He says that the tree is east side. He says that the tree is west side. Who are the correct? Both are correct. He says that answer is correct with reference of their position. Their position. At the same way, when we want to indicate we are traveling, which side your house is there? Depending upon moving direction, We said that my house is left side, my house is right side. Depending upon moving direction, depending upon moving direction, we indicate that. So we indicate the direction relativity, position relativity. Same way we indicate the time relativity. So time relativity means here night is there. For example, in this time, in another country it is a daytime. With respect to rotation of the earth, the time also changes. One more example, very very important. It is very useful to understand this relativity. For example, I will give one example. You will get the meaning of relativity. What is that? If you are, suppose you and me, suppose this is our classroom, we are traveling in a train. In this train, we take the one compartment. That compartment is a classroom. Okay? Me and you both are in our classroom. That classroom is nothing but railway compartment. The train is moving. With respect to me, you are in rest. But because of we are all in same box, same railway compartment, same compartment. So with respect to me, you are rest. With respect to you, I am rest. Okay. Suppose one of the person at railway platform, one of the person at railway platform. With respect to him, you are in motion. With respect to him, I am in motion. With respect to him, you are in motion. With respect to me, I am in motion. But with respect to you, I am rest. With respect to him, I am in motion. Who are correct? Both are correct. Here, your reference is this compartment. With respect to this compartment, I am rest. With respect to railway platform, his reference is railway platform. I am in motion. So, relative to railway platform, I am in motion. Relative to this compartment, I am in motion. I am in rest. Sorry. Related to this compartment, I am in rest. Relative to railway platform, I am in motion. So, this is the rest and motion relativity. Rest and motion relativity. So, direction relativity, time relativity, and which one? Rest and motion relativity. Rest and motion relativity. So, this is the relativity concept. Here, the relativity is but reference. Simply, we say that with respect to, we say the motion of the object, we explain, we find with a frame of reference. That reference is nothing but frame of reference we are taking. What is the frame of reference? With respect to which coordinate system, we want study about the objects is called as a frame of reference. Means frame of reference. So, what is the frame of reference? Frame of reference. With respect to which coordinate system we want study the motion of the object. With respect to railway platform, we want study about the objects. Train is coming, train is going. Train is coming, train is going. With respect to platform. So, that platform is the one of the frame of reference. This frame of reference is two types. Inertial frame of reference. Another one is non-inertial frame of reference. Inertial frame of reference, non-inertial frame of reference. What is the inertial frame of reference? With respect to which frame of reference? With respect to which frame of reference? we want to study about the motion of the body if that frame of reference is at rest. Which frame of reference is at rest is called as the inertial frame of reference. So we are studying about the motion of the body with respect to frame of reference. Which frame of reference is at rest? We say that inertial frame of reference, or which frame of reference is moving with uniform speed or uniform velocity. So inertial frame of reference means which is at rest, which frame of reference at rest, or which is moving with uniform speed or velocity, no problem. It is called as a inertial frame of reference. What is the non-inertial frame of reference? Which frame of reference is in non-uniform or in circular motion? So, which frame of reference non-uniform or which frame of reference in a circular motion is called as a non-inertial frame of reference. In which frame of reference Newton laws are not applicable, so it is called as a non-inertial frame of reference. Because of you don't know about the speed and velocity, because of this is the basic class. So I am saying, so in another we can write that in this Newton laws applicable, in this Newton laws are not applicable. So these are inertial frame of reference and non-inertial frame of reference. So concept of relativity and this one. So here our next concept, what is the rest? What is the rest? Rest means the position of the body does not changes with respect to time and surroundings. So what is the rest? The position of the body does not changes with respect to time and surroundings is called as the rest. The position of the body does not changes with respect to time and surroundings is called as rest. If the position of the body changes with respect to time and surroundings is called as motion. Is called as motion. For example, this pen is here near to the F. After 10 minutes, the pen is at same position. With respect to time, with respect to surroundings, the position of the pen does not changes. So we say that it is in rest. If the pen is in motion or its position is changing, the pen position is changing with respect to surroundings and time, we say that it is in motion. Okay, what is the rest? The position of the body does not changes with respect to time and surroundings is called as a rest. The position of the body changes with respect to time and surroundings is called as a motion. So this is the very important basic concepts: relativity, rest and motion. In next video we discuss about the distance, displacement, what is the difference between the distance and displacements, and the speed, velocity related concepts. Thank you.